In this video, we're going to be focusing on use of assessments. If you think about the old Reagan quote about trust but verify, there's some value into really looking at the skills of every individual that you're looking at to be part of your project team. It's important to do that due diligence just as you would do the due diligence in selecting a new hardware or software for your organization. We feel doing that same due diligence is important as well. There are three categories of assessments that we draw from. We've developed our own assessments. We've partnered with third-party assessment providers to provide us with assessments. So we've developed a whole bank of assessments that can be organized into three different categories. The first one is a functional assessments, and functional assessments is really the functional role, assessing the skills to perform a functional role. So a functional role would be something like a project manager, a business analyst, a systems tester, a solution architect. Some of the skills that we'd be looking for from that functional role would be their ability to understand methods and tools and processes and how to troubleshoot around those methods and tools to implement the project and to perform their role. The second type of assessment that we would look at would be a technical assessment, ensuring that they have the technical skills for the specific software or hardware that's needed. You can oftentimes purchase third-party assessments. We've purchased third parties as well as integrated our own based on our experience. And the third is the soft skills and looking at the personality and the behaviors of that individual. One of the things I think it's important that you can over-assess individuals and make them spend all day long doing assessments. But the truth of the matter is, if you ask 10 to 20 questions, have that in a structured way, everyone can complete the assessment. Usually you can get pretty close of whether or not they have the functional, the technical, and the personality fit to align with your project. So here are some of our bank of tools that we use, some of our assessments. Typically we can pick an assessment, either if it's a personality or it's a specific type of functional here, like project management, or even a technical assessment. So if I were to click on it, I'd be able to see kind of what level it is, what type of assessment, how long does it take, how many questions. And then I can click on a preview and take a look at some of the questions. Here there's 30. You can also cut out some of the questions to the ones that are really most relevant to your project. That's just a great way of getting the right skills that you need, is that trust but verify, using assessments to help you do that.